Hey guys, Leo, welcome back to the channel. Just another day out here. Went out on Wednesday for about 4 to 5 hours. Had 2 bites on the Lowbrow Mini, and that was pretty much it. Nothing crazy happened, just a little 2-pounder, so nothing crazy to write home about. But it's been kind of tough out there on the swim baits. I've been out there at least twice a week the past like 2 months, and I haven't had anything to show for it. So here's this 2 bites, and you know what to do. Comment, like, subscribe. Appreciate you guys coming back. Enjoy. Oh! Come on. Let's go. On the board. First one, guys. On the Lowbrow Mini. There you go. How many did you get? Not as much as I wanted. No.